As we discussed, it's a good idea to have a conversation about who will object or even who will veto your curriculum changes. So some issues you might want to think about when you're anticipating what barriers might be out there is barriers around resources. Money, facilities, human resources. How are you going to overcome those? You might consider politics. People who feel that power is being taken away from them will sometimes fight back. You also might want to consider the attitudes of your stakeholders. Sometimes faculty have a strong sense of fatigue over lots of changes that they feel like are coming from a sort of top-down management perspective. If your curriculum change comes across as this, it can create a barrier to approval and implementation. And of course, time is always one of the biggest barriers, right? We're often so overworked and under-resourced that trying to take on something new can just feel overwhelming. And, another attitudinal issue is just the human nature to resist change. We're comfortable with the way things were done in the past, even if it wasn't working, and we don't like things changing, even if it's for the better. It's just human nature. That attitude can present a barrier, particularly when it's coupled with a sense that we're criticizing the way things were done before. So if I've been teaching primarily using lecture for the last 20 years, and now you're coming along and telling me that lecture isn't an effective teaching method, I'm going to feel a little resentful that you're saying that everything I've done in the past is wrong. Naturally, I'm going to push back and cling to my old way of doing things. Often, this can be challenging in that it involves the way that changes are often framed. You can point to changes in learners that necessitate changes in the curriculum. So it doesn't appear that you're saying that what we've done in the past was not worthy, just that new learners require new methods.